No, not the flower!
That's what happens if you try to take the fucking elevator, bitch. No elevators, we die like men. Fuck you guys, fuck you guys. No! No!
Jexy fucked you us over again.
I fucking Jexy, I swear to God. Haha! I will. It is funny. You will be dead someday. Does looking at my corpse make you happy, huh, Jexy?
Fuck shit. God fucking damn it. Fuck shit.
Fuck.
Squirrel!
Squirrel!
But that's for Jexy, it says. That's the one I want.
Well, there's 3 boxes, so...
Goofy, no! You're gonna die! Oh, she didn't die.
The squirrel! Yes!
I got money.
Why don't you buy a squirrel with your fucking money, asshole? I can't even get up there! Fuck my life! This is stupid! Stupid.
Just go up the elevator.
That's what I'm doing! Stupid. Stupid. Fucking
Alright, we're gonna have to make this even harder.
stupid.
That's what I'm talking about.
Fuck.
I was almost there, Jexy.
Ah,
Oh, I see. I
Fuck.
see.
Fuck shit.
No, 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 no!
God damn it. Fuck shit.
So we can't go through the elevator.
God! I'm so mad!
You guys!
What? The stupid honey! I'm so depressed.
It's not hard, it's just honey. I'm telling you to give up.
Fuck up! I'm not giving up. I give up on everything else in my life. Just let me win this. Damn it. Come on, that stupid honey! I hate it! I wanna die!
Oh, just don't hit the honey.
I'm trying not to, you motherfucker! I'm so mad! No! I'm so fucking mad! Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
How dare you?
It only took 10 minutes.
I hate living.
Why don't you just die, Scoopy?
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know, and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
No. Dude, actually.
You hurt my feelings.
Look what you've done, B.
It was already sad. Oh shit. Fuck.
Fuck shit. Damn it. Fuck.
What the fuck?
Fuck. Fuck.
Ah.
Oh, you can place multiple.
Oh yeah.
You know what that means?
No.
Money!
Stop. No money.
You can't put money if there's nowhere to put it. You'll never get your money.
Okay, this might have been a mistake.
What are you talking about? This is the best. No! Hey! Quit it!
There needs to be a way across!
No, there doesn't. All we need is hay!
Clearly, this was a mistake. Okay. Help us. Lexi also help us. Who also
Me,
kind of
not
help
so
us.
much. Not so much.
Fuck. Shit.